so the first step so you can actually start getting your credit report is that you have to actually get your credit report. So to get your credit reports, it really depends. Now, if you have a regular bank account like Wells Fargo, if you go to a credit union, then you can click here and use your bank card. If you have a regular bank card, if you have a prepaid card, you have to click here on this link. Now, the thing about getting your credit reports, you'll get your credit reports from Identity IQ. So if you have a regular bank account, you're using your bank card, then it's $1 for the first 7 days, and after that, it's $21.99. Now, you have a trial. It's kind of what it's called. It's called a trial. So for 7 days, you get it for $1. But the thing about that is, if you have a prepaid card, you do not get the trial. Usually for Identity IQ, if you go to their regular website, it's $29.99. Now, if you want to actually get the discount, which is $8 off per month, I suggest that you go ahead and click on these links here instead of going directly to IdentityIQ.com. So I don't know why they say Credit Karma right here, but that's going to be taken off. If you want us to actually do it for you, we need you to have Identity IQ. And a lot of people say, you know what, Rickita, when can I cancel Identity IQ? I do not suggest you cancel it because there's no way we can look at your credit reports. There's no way we can actually see what items were deleted from your credit report. So I suggest that you actually go ahead and keep it on there. So remember, you can go ahead and click here to get your credit report from Identity IQ. If you have a bank card, if you have a prepaid card, you have to click here on this link. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.